Hello and welcome to New to Online Essentials Part 2, Converting Your Course. My name is Dr. Ann Musgrove and I will be your facilitator this week. It will be my pleasure to learn with you. I'd like to start this week by doing a quick tour of the course. Right now we're up here in the Welcome section. Here's the syllabus that we'll go back to in a second, and the news form where I will post anything that is related to the course that I think you should be aware of as the week goes along, as well as transcripts from my daily posts in the facilitator form. And the help form where you can post anything that is a question that you might have. And this is a learning community, so I would encourage you to jump in if you can answer any of the questions that are posted. This is a facilitator's corner, and I'll post an announcement like this every day of the workshop. Next, we'll go to the workshop schedule. And this is the schedule at a glance, letting you know what happens every day so you can follow it easily according to the days of the week. And next comes the introductions. In the introductions, you can find out a bit more about me if you would like to, and then please introduce yourself and share something about the topic or anything else you'd like to share about a course that you've created or you're going to create, or maybe even a resource that you think might be useful, and any questions you might have about the topic. Remember to reply to some others' posts so you can form a community of learners for the week. The next place we will go is off to the workshop content and activities. You see, we'll have only 2 learning objectives: to identify web-appropriate content formats and to practice those by using some different conversion strategies based on the original content format. And here's the readings and the discussions. Let's go back now to the syllabus. So here's the syllabus. Always good to read through this. There aren't any prerequisites. All the materials are here, and here is the schedule of activities again with dates next to them, which is a nice thing to keep handy. As far as late assignments, try to stay on task with everybody else in the class. If you run into something that delays you, just send me an email to my Gmail account, and I will be as lenient and flexible as I can be. Other than that, I am looking forward to our week together, and I will see you online.